What do you think of this photographer?
She's so skilled, so talented.
She's an award-winning photographer. She's given a lot of lectures, and she's been invited to speak on television and radio.
These people, they have quite an unusual taste, right?
She has clients from all over the world, even Hollywood.
Really? Photography really is in her DNA. She was born like that.
The people look credible, the photos are awful. How could this be? Here is the thing. She bought a camera and started taking all these unremarkable photos back in 2006. But then she practiced and her photography got better and better. And what about now? Let's take a look at some latest examples. Some of them won awards across continents. You know, it's funny how many people think that
Photography really is in her DNA. She was born like that.
But it seems it's just not the case. She was not born a good photographer. She became a good photographer. Is it the rule or the exception? Let's take a look at another example. This gentleman is an award-winning architectural photographer, Darren Bradley. I'm a huge fan of his work. His mesmerizing photos are exhibited all over the world, published in numerous books and magazines. He even gave a speech at a TED conference. Wow! But it was not always like this. When Darren first fell in love with architectural photography, that's what his photos look like. Early work, current work. There is a difference, right? Another brilliant photographer, Dina Belenko. This is a strange photo, and this one is upside down. Oh yeah, there's a good one. So, Dina Belenko tells magical stories behind everyday objects. Magazines all over the world tell stories about her. She possesses a number of superpowers: freezing liquids, controlling fire, making donuts and mugs levitate. These superpowers took time to develop. Back in 2011, her photos look a little bit less magical. Neal, Kramer and Cory Johnson, two handsome men and a tandem of acclaimed advertising photographers. You've probably seen their work on billboards, on TV, maybe on a magazine cover. They have a long list of photography awards and even a longer list of respectable clients. Just like Darren Bradley and Dina Belenko, they have their personal signature style, and you can recognize their work without looking at the name. However, just several years ago, their signature style looked like this. Quite a bit of progress, right? So, what is really important for success? Is it some innate talent? Apparently, determination and commitment are way more important. I know some gifted people who traded their possible prosperous future for beer and Netflix. La la la, la la la. So, if you're trying something new and the results are a bit underwhelming, don't panic. It takes time to become good. Most importantly, don't let others discourage you. No one was born a genius, but some of us were born to become geniuses, if you work on it.